Epa lagunok ongetorri lasto txapelen. Kanalera ongetorri bermintainera gaur aktualizazio berri bat dakarrelako eta aktualizazio berri mapa berri bat ekartzen du. Bere garaian bermintain bat izan genuen mapa berdina, hau da Karaz Atzgalak, eta joango gara mapa hori frogatzera misioa. Ea topatzen dudan. Zango nuka hau ez dela. Hemen, joango gara lehendabiziko mapa horrekin. Eta goazen jogatzera. Berdin zait norekin jogatzen dugu. Zer dut, zin pertsonaiarekin.
I wonder if we've seen the last of Sophia Fueganassus.
Vale, badirudiru mapa direla.
Some of these goddesses you've invoked since, well, you know, they're not exactly nice.
Are any of us?
Goodness, no. The thought, Hecate, the more I heg.
Ja, jente gehiago sartzen den.
We've got problems.
Guazen barrura. Justo orain beste pertsona bat. Jaspreso. Vale, falta da laugarren hori uste dutela Victor Sapilste edo agian ez. Bai, ez da Martus Kruber.
A dwarven war party has vanished in Khazid Crow while attempting to sabotage the Skaven supply lines. Thus, we do now have not one but two vital tasks. Complete the war party's work and recover the survivors, if we can.
Ea zenbat denbora behar duen partida kargatzeko. Igual lehenengoan zen DLC-a. Esango nuke hilde egongo direla. Ezemank. Ba, betik izango da. Gainera ipotzen erreinua izaten.
Now, where is he?
Vale.
Never have I seen such a display.
Ah, praise the comics. Ammunition.
Ni muniziorik ez dut erabiltzen.
Stand clear of that. Stay bubbles.
Careful your fury doesn't make you sloppy, Sienna. My Lilian's under 30!
Shield ready. Here, bow stick. Bombs here. Let's hope the black powder inside is dry.
A ver.
Medical supplies. Mission stop! Watch your back!
Ongi harrapatu dugu.
This is what the Ratmen would do to the entire
Vale.
world if they could. Come, feeble ones! I will end you! The more I hate, blames you!
Bloody racket.
A ver, elurra.
Falaya deserves better. If all goes well, she'll get it.
Eso da Laia.
Eternal, thanks Sigmar. There may yet be a survivor.
Vale.
Lend me your might!
Vale, hor da bukatu da.
Make haste to me.
Another kill! You see me, Blaze? That's how it's done.
Some potion, lend me vigor.
Hemen ez dago ezer. Guazen urrengo zonaldera. Vale, a ver, Marcus Kruger. Ondo... Oh. Bueno, dipotza ere ondo litzateke.
I knew the Ratmen wouldn't get her.
Oi, potza.
High and low I looked, and now Hedda's here. Then again, she was always stubborn and slow, that daughter of mine.
Blast started! Watch out for Rocket!
Joder. Hay que cerrar.
Nice little story.
Come on, over the purpose.
I need to heal. Show some patience.
You stink stronger than you try. Another dead with another hit after that. I'll give you one for free. Bye.
Finished? I'm hungry. Now, let's see. I know it's one of these levers. I'll stop grumbling. I'm no longer here to catch tempers.
Speaks as she finds, don't she?
Vale, hau apur bat lasaitu da.
Ammunition.
But the dwarf seems agitated.
I've every faith in you.
Isn't this nice? Surprise family reunion.
Vale, nora heldu da horra.
There's a Globadier stalking us.
Bet that's an assassin out here.
Just want to be your friend.
Hail up, warp shot inbound.
Polluted yet, but it may yet bode ill for others.
Looks like you'll need to save Karak Asgar as all over again. I mean, Edda can't do it alone, can she?
Vale, guazen.
Prophets of decay comes for us. Stop meandering and get down here. You hear that stuff? Will trouble us no longer.
No es.
one, eh? You must truly hate them.
They are conquerors and cruel beyond measure. They flow easily as they are.
Yes. Well, this reminds us of ourselves.
Yeah! Nothing! Do it proper! Someone give me a reel!
That roar like a drunken dwarf. Oh, I'd like to see the brute crush me.
Oh, such a majestic hole this was, Dory. And we'll...
Zenbat ipotzen erreinua ikusgarria dela oso.
I am lost. Lost beyond words.
You're a bit pale, Carillion.
Oh. A ver.
This doorway! Move!
Vale. Bai, hemen behar du Kriston beroa gainera.
Slay the rat heretics! Grimgate!
Hala. Hace mank.
That all you've got?
Ammunition!
Oi! Are you Wizards here yet?
Ja, ez duda nada.
A valiant strike!
I bet you're not here yet, are you?
We're here, Bardinley. What do you want?
Nola.
I hear a backstabber. Still haven't learned.
The assassin meets a deserving death! Give me a good shot! Still here! Just
I hear the Pale Queen. I hear Skaven machinery. His study is loud as a drumbeat. Great one! Tell me I'm started.
Au.
Pick up the pace, would you? Still plenty to do.
Zure esateko erreza da, Bueno, hilda gaude. Bai.
The Packmaster is slain!
I feel the dark gods reach out for me! I fight on!
Listen, assassin!
I need assistance!
You want to be shot? Get clear! The 8 for the rock! Get off me!
Listo. Bueno. Ba, benora uno, izan da lehen da biziko mapa, ez gara izan gai gainditzeko, eta hurrengoan gehiago. Agur.